If your Toyota Tacoma takes forever to stop, you're not alone. Brake problems can sneak up on anyone. Let's find out why. First, check your brake fluid. Low or dirty fluid can keep the brakes from working right. Top it off or replace it if needed. Next, listen for grinding or squeaking noises. Worn-out brake pads can't grip the rotors. If your pads are thin, it's time for new ones. Feel a soft or spongy brake pedal? That could mean air is trapped in the brake lines. Bleed the brakes to get the air out. Still not fixed? Inspect the brake lines for leaks or rust. Any leaking fluid means your brakes won't work well. Replace damaged lines right away. Don't forget about the master cylinder. If it's failing, your brakes may lose pressure. A mechanic can test and replace it if needed. And one last thing, modern Tacomas have brake boosters. If your pedal feels hard and the brakes don't engage, the booster could be bad. Wrapping up, regular checks and quick fixes keep your Tacoma safe on the road. If you're not sure what's wrong, get a pro to check it out. Don't take risks with your brakes.